Linux Mint's next point release is here in beta code name Zara. If you love Mint's mix of polish and practicality, this update brings a few focused improvements that matter. Better hardware support, fingerprint login for more machines, and subtle theming and Wayland refinements. Today we'll walk through what's new, who should try the beta, and what to expect when the final release lands. First, the basics. Zara is the 22.2 point release, and the team has opened it for public beta testing. It's a continuation of the Mint 22 series and remains a long-term support line, so security updates will be maintained for several years. The beta ISOs are available from the official mirrors for anyone who wants to test or preview the changes. Under the hood, Mint 22.2 is built on Ubuntu's 24.04 point releases and ships with a newer hardware enablement kernel. That HWE kernel brings updated drivers and broader hardware compatibility, especially helpful if you're using newer laptops, Wi-Fi chips, or recent AMD/Intel GPUs. This release is also focused on tightening the user experience rather than introducing major new features, so upgrades should feel familiar but more polished. One of the headline changes is fingerprint authentication. The Mint team introduced a new fingerprint utility, often referenced as FingWit, in early coverage that aims to make biometric login reliable across all supported desktop editions. That's a meaningful quality of life improvement for anyone using a laptop with a fingerprint reader. On the desktop side, Zara ships in the usual Mint flavors, cinnamon, mate, and XFCE, with updated versions of each environment. Expect the latest cinnamon maintenance updates, mate and XFCE refreshes, and improved Flatpak/theme compatibility. Small tweaks that keep the Mint desktop cohesive and visually consistent across applications. Who should try it/upgrade advice? If you run Mint on production machines, treat this as a preview. Betas are for testing, not mission-critical work. If you're curious, have a spare machine, or run Mint in a VM, try the beta and report any bugs to the Mint team that helps iron out issues before the stable release. For daily drivers, wait for the official stable release and standard upgrade channels unless you need hardware fixes, only available in the HWE kernel. Now closing. In short, 22.2 Zara is an evolutionary release. Improved hardware support, better biometric login, and small but useful desktop polish. If you want to test the beta, grab an ISO from the official mirrors, back up your data, and consider using a VM or spare machine. I'll link the official blog and beta downloads in the description. If you want a deeper walkthrough cinnamon settings, fingerprint setup, and a short upgrade demo, hit like and subscribe and I'll make a full tutorial.